Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to write a program that will subtract the two given numbers using object-oriented programming principles in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel, guys, by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified when newly uploaded. So we have here sharply called IOStream for input output, and then for object oriented, I declare a class calculator, begin private, and then I have two variables, num1 and num2. Now in C++, when we declare the variable as private, this variable can be considered as local variable. What do we mean? It means that this variable, the num1 and num2, will work only exclusively in our class calculator. You cannot call these two variables outside of your class, okay? Or we are not creating an object. Now next, we have public. So when we say public, we make our function accessible globally. Okay, so we have void set nums and n1 and n2. So we pass the value here, num1 equals n1, num2 equals n2. So we have here the attributes, and then we have here the function or the behavior in object oriented in subtract. So return num1 minus num2, and then we close here the class with semicolon here, right curly bracket, semicolon. In main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. The same thing when we terminate our program. We have here left curly bracket, and then we call the class calculator, and then we create an object. What is the object? Calc. std colon new line, std colon console out, subtract two numbers using OOP, or object oriented programming in C++. Calc, we call the object, and then we call the function set nums, and then we pass parameters 150. So the difference between 150 is 50. Console out result, calc, we call the function subtract. So it will compute the difference between num1 and num2, and line here return 0, return to our operating system, and then right curly bracket to close the main body of our function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with our online on gdb.com to compile and run the program. Okay, our program is running right now. Subtract two numbers using OP in C++. The result is 50. So the value that we give is 100. 100 minus 50 is 50. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on subtract two numbers using OOP, or object oriented programming principles in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake Singh. Bye bye for now.